Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rulings regarding prayer. Dress Code Part 2. Women are to observe full hijab while performing their prayer, just as a pearl is covered in a shell. It is befitting that women wear a chador while performing prayer. Performing prayers without full covering or with transparent clothes is permissible only if one has observed full hijab beneath that clothing, meaning that the entire body except for the face, hands down to the wrist, and feet down to the ankles have been covered. Also, the clothes should not be too tight or transparent to reveal the shape of the body. However, if a lady was unaware of this ruling and thus she has been performing her prayers without wearing a proper hijab or observing full hijab, their past prayers are valid as long as she's not negligent in learning the related religious rulings. In addition to all this, covering all jewels and ornaments, even a wig, is obligatory while performing prayers, even if a non-mahram is not present. It is not necessary, however, to cover rings while praying. In the case that a lady was unaware of this ruling and thus has not been covering her ornaments during prayer, their prayers are still valid. All men and women must observe the necessary dress code in all obligatory prayers, including ihtiyat prayer, as well as while performing sahw prostration, qada prostration, or qada tashahhud. However, while performing obligatory prostration outside of prayers, such as obligatory prostration for certain verses of the Quran, it is not obligatory to observe hijab if there is no non-mahram present. Institute for compiling and publishing the works of Ayatollah Makarem Shirazi.